Hello, ahoy, привет. My name is Andrei. I was born in Crimea. Now I'm studying photography in Czech Republic. That was my dream. My hometown is Gorod Geroi, town of heroes, Sevastopol. Have you heard about the situation there? In March, I sat in front of news and I couldn't believe what was happening. We always lived together in peace. Unfortunately, Russian and Ukrainians stop understand each other. Everyone sees what their eyes want to see. Last winter, I was in Kiev on Maidan, and I saw what was it really about. I was there with friends. We talked with people, made a documentary movie. It made me think. But I only saw all the strange events which began in Crimea in March from a distance. Every summer, I go back home. This time, it will be completely different. Me and my friends have decided to make a documentary road movie about my journey. I'm also planning to photograph this trip and to make a photo essay about today's Ukraine. But I don't even know if they let us cross the Crimea border. I want to see real Ukraine and to break up prejudices. We need your help to make this happen. Life in Ukraine is not so expensive, but when you are filming, you have to be ready for everything. You can send us questions you like to be answered, places you would like us to visit, or contacts on people you think will be inspirative to meet. If you donate, of course. We already started our blog, and we will update it during preparation and on the road. I'm going home to the place where my family lives, but it's in a different country now. I was born in Soviet Union. When I left home last time, I left Ukraine, and now I'm going to Russia. Thank you, дякую, спасибо.